Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, I will tell you about document upload functionality in DMS by using mobile application and its use case. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following: how to upload documents to the DMS using a mobile app. What is the purpose of mobile document upload? What is the impact of uploading documents via the app? How they help in DMS working. Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have tenant account and admin role with organization access. In addition to this, user must have the field.ai mobile application installed on their mobile devices. Document upload via mobile application. Uploading documents through a mobile application allows users to capture and submit documents directly to the Document Management System, DMS, using their mobile devices. This feature enables real-time document submission from any location, enhances field productivity, and ensures faster, more accurate data entry into the system. Let us understand it by using use case named DMS Mobile Integration for convenient document uploads. A technician visits a customer's site to carry out services such as maintenance, repair, or inspection of various machinery and equipment. During this visit, the technician needs to document their work. For example, by taking photos, filling out checklists, and attaching related documents. To streamline this process, the technician uses a field.ai mobile application, which is integrated with DMS. The DMS acts as a centralized repository where all service-related documents are securely stored and organized for easy access and future reference. While performing the task, the technician can upload various types of documents directly from their mobile device. The application offers multiple options to upload depending on what the document relates to. Uploading images against the checklist. The application allows the technician to take and upload photos as evidence. For example, a picture showing a replaced part or the condition of a component. These images are automatically linked to the corresponding checklist item in the system. Uploading documents related to a specific asset and equipment. The technician can upload documents that relate specifically to that asset and equipment, such as a user manual related to asset and equipment, maintenance report, calibration certificate, or part replacement record. These files are also stored in the DMS and linked directly to that equipment, so anyone viewing the equipment's history later can access all related documents in one place. Uploading documents related to a particular task. The technician may also attach documents that are relevant to the overall service task rather than a single equipment. For example, they might upload a customer sign-off sheet, a job completion report, or safety compliance documents. These documents are stored in the DMS under that specific task record. So now we will understand the process of document upload by using mobile application in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open mobile linking form from the menu. This form allows the user to log in with the field.ai mobile application. Once the mobile linking form is open, you will see a QR code on the screen. Now, open the field.ai mobile application on your phone and scan the QR code displayed in the mobile linking form within the system. After scanning, the app will ask you to enter your login credentials. Enter your password and click Done button to verify your identity. Once your details are confirmed, the user have the option to set a password for the mobile application. If the user preferred not to set a password, they can simply click the Skip button to proceed. Once completed, the user will successfully access the field.ai mobile application. After successfully login, the user can easily upload documents using the field.ai mobile application. There are several ways to upload the documents to the DMS web using mobile application. First, the user selects the scheduled task option to upload documents related to a specific task and its checklist. To begin, select the task that requires the technician to visit the customer site to perform services. While performing these services, the technician completes the checklist to ensure that every step is properly documented and can also upload photos as evidence corresponding to the checklist. Click the Proceed button to navigate to the Start Travel screen. Then, click the Start Travel button and provide confirmation that the spare parts and maintenance tools required for the task are available. Once confirmed, the travel will begin. The user can upload documents related to a specific asset. To do this, first click on the asset named Fabric Dyeing Machine to open its details, then navigate to the Files tab and click Upload button to add a file associated with this asset. Select the folder, such as HR Department Documents folder, and click the Upload File button. The user will see three options for uploading files into the DMS. Capture a photo using the camera, select from the gallery, or choose a file from your device's storage. For now, selecting the Files option, and then browse your device to choose the document user want to upload. Currently, the injection molding machine manual is being selected. Click the Next button to upload the file into the DMS. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the file has been uploaded successfully. The user can verify the uploaded file in the DMS. Click the Go Back button and ensure that the injection molding machine user manual is correctly listed under the Files tab. Finally, click the Back button to return. The user can also upload a document related to a specific field service request by clicking on the document number and navigating to the Files tab. Then, click the Upload button. Next, the user can create a folder by clicking the Add Folder button and entering a name for the folder. For example, enter Plant Maintenance Folder and click OK to create it successfully. Once created, the folder will appear in the folder list. Now, the user can select the created folder for uploading the files. If needed, a subfolder can also be created by clicking on Add Subfolder button. Otherwise, click the Upload File button. There are three available options for uploading files to the DMS: Camera, Gallery, and Files. For now, select the Files option to browse mobile documents. Choose the required document, then click Next to begin the upload. The document will be uploaded successfully. Click the Go Back button to return, where the uploaded document will now appear under the Files section. Click Go Back again to return to the previous screen. After that, the user needs to complete the travel by clicking the Finish button. Once clicked, the travel is successfully completed. After that, the user begins performing the task at the customer site. While performing the task, the user can also install the spare parts, as covered in the Feel.ai video. Additionally, the user can upload files related to the task by navigating to the Files tab and clicking the Upload button. Select the desired folder and click the Upload button. Choose the Files option and select a file, such as Fabric Dyeing Machine User Manual from the documents. Click the Next button to upload the document. Once the upload is complete, a confirmation will appear indicating that the document has been successfully uploaded. Click the Back button to return, and the uploaded document will now be visible under the Files tab. Now, navigate to the Checklist tab. The user needs to enter the actual results in the checklist and also allows the user to capture a photo related to the checklist in the DMS by clicking the Add Photo button. This will open the camera capture the photo, highlight specific parts of the machine by selecting a color, and then click Save to apply and save the changes. Next, select the folder where the document related to the checklist should be uploaded, and click Next to confirm. The document will be successfully uploaded. Click the Go Back button to return, then click Submit to submit the checklist. The checklist will now be successfully completed. I have entered the actual results for another checklist as well. Finally, the user proceeds to complete the task. Click the Process button and confirm the action by clicking OK. The task will then be successfully completed. There are multiple ways to upload documents in the mobile application. The user can search for the equipment from the drawer section. Clicking on the searched asset opens its details, allowing the user to upload a document related to that asset by navigating to the Files tab. From there, the user can upload documents to the DMS by clicking the Upload option. Now, let's view the uploaded documents in the DMS. Please log in to System using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. The DMS web form will open. Verify that the user can successfully view the newly created folder through the mobile application. By default, the user has full permissions on the folder, as they are the owner who created it. The user then selects the folder where the documents were uploaded using the mobile application. In this case, select the plant maintenance folder. As shown, all the documents displayed here have been uploaded through the mobile application. First, open the fabric dyeing machine user manual document corresponding to the field service request task by clicking on its name. The document details will scroll down to view the information. In the Related Documents link section, the user can view the corresponding field service request task details. The user can also zoom in, which will navigate to the specific task to which the document was uploaded. Return to the DMS web. Similarly, for the other documents also, the user can view the related document link details. So, in this video, the mobile application enables seamless document integration with the DMS. It offers multiple options to capture, upload, and link documents directly from the field in real time, ensuring efficient and accurate data management. Thank you.